Good morning, dear students. In the chapter More on Photoshop, we are going to explore few more tools today, and the tool which we are going to discuss is your stamp tool. So, what is stamp tool? It is a tool that is used to create a copy of something or to make something appear on your screen. For example, if you want to clone something or you want to draw a fixed pattern on your screen, then you have to use this stamp tool. Stamp tool is of two types. The first one is clone stamp tool and another one is pattern stamp tool. These both tools are available in your Photoshop CS6 version, so you can use it from there. So let's begin with the clone stamp tool. This is the tool which is used to create a clone of the image. That means you can create a copy of your image using this tool. So how you need to use it? Let's see practically. If you want to use the clone stamp tool, so first of all you need to select it from the tools panel. Let's see where it is. So here in the tools panel, it is present in this paint and retouching tool. So here you can see the clone stamp tool. This tool is going to be used to create a copy of the image. So let's use it. First, you need to click over here. When it gets selected, that means now you can use the clone stamp tool. So after this, you need to select the image that you want to clone. For that, you need to press your Alt key. So as you know, there are two Alt keys present on your keyboard. You can choose any of them. Just hold on the Alt key and then select the image in this way by dragging your mouse to create the clone of the image. In that way, you can select that image of which you want to create a copy. So once you had selected this, then you have to drag your mouse. It is exactly the way you are going to scratch a coupon to find out the background image or the background numbers. In the similar way, you have to drag your mouse on your screen and you will be able to see the exact copy of the image which you had just cloned. So, as my brush size is very less, so I want to increase it. So let's increase the size first. After this, you can just drag your mouse on your screen and you can see it's a copy is created on your screen. In the similar way, you can create a copy of a person, of the flowers, or of any other scenic view. So this tool is used to create multiple copies of something on your screen. The another tool that we are going to discuss is your pattern stamp tool. It is a tool that is used to make the patterns of the image. It is going to fill the area of an image with the selected pattern. The only difference between the pattern stamp tool and the clone stamp tool is after making the desired selection from the options bar and selecting the pattern, you don't have to select a source point in the image. As we are doing earlier, by pressing the Alt key, we have to select the image. But here, you can just simply select the pattern from the options bar and then just drag your mouse over the screen and you will see it will fill your screen with that exact pattern and you don't need to copy the image. So let's see practically how we can implement this pattern stamp tool. To use the pattern stamp tool, first you need to select it and it is available in your tools panel. So when you are going to right click on this clone stamp tool, you will see the another option is there is of pattern stamp tool. So you can choose from here pattern stamp tool and after that you need to select a desired pattern. So as you can see, there are many options in the options bar, so you can select your desired pattern from here. As I had selected this one, you can change it to any of the other of your choice. So I had selected the first one because I want to draw this pattern on my screen. And after selecting, you just need to click the mouse and drag it over your screen. And you can see that exact pattern is visible on your screen now. In this way, you can change the background of your image with the desired pattern of your choice. And in this way, you can also make your image looks much more attractive, as there is no more boring backgrounds on your image. So this is the use of the pattern stamp tool. If you want to change the pattern, just simply click over here and choose another pattern, and then you can paste that exact pattern again on your screen, which means you can paste or you can draw multiple patterns on the same image using the pattern stamp tool. And the next tool is your eraser tool. Eraser tool is used to erase or remove the unwanted portion of an image. When you click the drop down arrow of the eraser tool, there are many options to use this eraser tool. In the Photoshop CS6, the first tool which is available under eraser tool is eraser tool. Its names are same. It is used to remove an area of an image, or you can also erase or remove the complete image using this eraser tool. The next option we are having is background eraser. This tool is used to erase the background of your image. And the next one is magic eraser. Magic eraser is very useful tool. It is used to remove the part of an image in just one go. When you are going to select any particular part using magic eraser tool, then all the part of the same color will get erased using it. Now let's see the practical usage of the eraser tool. First of all, it is available over here. When you are going to click it, you can see that all three options which we had just discussed. First is eraser tool, another one is background eraser, and then the next one is magic eraser. So let's begin with the first one, the eraser tool. Using eraser tool, you can erase any part of your image like this. And when you are going to click over here, you can see the same part of the image will get deleted or removed. You can also change the opacity of your eraser. Like if you are going to decrease the opacity, you will see it will remove the image, but the opacity is very less, as I had chosen it to 56. And when I am going to decrease it more, then you can just give a shade like this. So there are multiple uses of this eraser. You can erase it to delete or to remove the part, or you can just change the opacity and use it for the purpose of shading also. So in this way, there can be a multiple usage of this eraser tool. Another one option is background eraser tool. Using this, you can remove the background of your image like this. Suppose you are going to have the background, as I am going to fill the background as this. So you can remove it using this background eraser tool. And after that, the next one tool is your magic eraser. Using magic eraser, you can erase a particular part of your image. For example, this one and this one. So when you are going to click somewhere, it will delete the whole part of the same color using this magic eraser tool. So it is somehow similar to the tool where we can select the image using a single click, and the same image of where the color is same, that part will be get selected. In a similar way, here also, the image contain the same color will get removed after a one click using the magic eraser tool.